These windows are great. They're really, really great. The only drawback is there is no overhang from the rain, but on a clear day like this with the wind blowing, these are fantastic windows. They're the perfect height. I can use my 6-foot ladder. I can get up on top of it, you know, and they're just really wonderful. So I'm looking forward to this. This is a new account. I'm doing Seaport Auto Wholesale. You've seen the videos that I do on McLaughlin, and this is a new store they have. It's smaller than their bigger store, but this should be fun to do. The other store's got that 10-foot, I gotta use the big 10-foot ladder to try to get up there, so this should be a breeze today. No pun intended. I'm sitting in the van. I've got the heater going. It is brutal out there. Probably about 20 something, the wind chill, I'm sure. I found my hat. Well, actually some guys came up, they brought this hat. But I had the mask one, I lost that. So I'm gonna have to get me another one. But yeah, I'm just sitting in the van. I've got probably about 45 minutes left, so I'm doing good. But the sun is starting to go down and the temperature's starting to drop, and it is getting more and more windy. I'm hanging in there. Coldest day so far this year for sure. I gotta bring my heater next time. Bring some extra socks because my feet are getting cold. When my feet start getting cold, and I went inside, I ran my hands under warm water because my hands were starting to freeze too. I start to get frostbite. I'm okay! All done, and yeah, it's like the wind got it got more and more windy, and then on top of that, it's getting dark. It might be even like below 20 now. It could be probably in the teens with the wind chill. My fingers are frostbit, so I'm gonna go and thaw them out before I head home. So maybe I'll just get in the van and warm up. It's weird when you get this cold, it doesn't hurt as bad. And when it gets that cold and you're not hurting, then that's a danger sign, I think. Because at first it stings, but I kept painting. So I better get inside. All right, well, I can't even talk. I feel like I've been to the dentist. My mouth is numb. I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Whew.